Zimbabwe's political landscape seems deceptively calm. The ruling ZANU-PF party, a monolith in the nation's history, projects an image of unity. President Emerson Mnangagwa, who ascended to power after the fall of Robert Mugabe, appears firmly in control. Yet, beneath the surface, a current of discontent stirs. Whispers of dissent ripple through the ranks of ZANU-PF. A storm is brewing, threatening to shatter the facade of stability. The nation holds its breath, sensing an impending earthquake. Zimbabwe, scarred by decades of economic hardship and political repression, is no stranger to turmoil. The people, weathered by years of broken promises, watch with wary eyes. The calm before the storm is palpable, heavy with anticipation. Rumors of a plot to oust Mnangagwa have begun to circulate. The alleged scheme is said to originate from within ZANU-PF itself. Chris Mutsvangwa, a prominent figure and former close ally of Mnangagwa, has emerged as a key player in this unfolding drama. Mutsvangwa, fueled by a burning vendetta, is allegedly seeking to expose Mnangagwa's darkest secrets. The heart of the conspiracy lies in a devil's bargain. Mutsvangwa, whose son faces legal troubles, is allegedly offering to trade sensitive information about Mnangagwa in exchange for his son's freedom. The information he possesses is said to be explosive, capable of rocking the foundations of Mnangagwa's presidency. The stakes are incredibly high, with the fate of a nation hanging in the balance. This alleged plot has sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe's political circles. The whispers grow louder, fueled by speculation and intrigue. The truth remains elusive, shrouded in secrecy and shadowed by the potential for violence. Looming in the background of this power struggle is the enigmatic figure of Constantino Chiwenga. Zimbabwe's current vice president, Chiwenga, was instrumental in orchestrating Mugabe's downfall. He is a man of power and ambition, known for his ruthless pragmatism. Chiwenga's role in the alleged plot against Mnangagwa remains unclear. Some speculate that he is the mastermind behind the scenes, manipulating events to his advantage. Others believe he is biding his time, waiting for the opportune moment to seize power. Chiwenga's silence speaks volumes. His every move is scrutinized, his words dissected for hidden meanings. He is the puppet master, pulling strings from the shadows, his true intentions shrouded in mystery. Zimbabwe stands on the precipice. The alleged plot against Mnangagwa, if successful, could have devastating consequences. A coup would plunge the nation into further chaos, deepening the existing political and economic crises. The fragile hope for a democratic future, flickering since Mugabe's removal, could be extinguished. The international community watches with concern. Zimbabwe, once a beacon of hope for African independence, has become a symbol of failed promises. The potential for violence and instability threatens to spill over its borders, destabilizing the entire region. The stakes are incredibly high. Zimbabwe's future hangs in the balance, teetering between hope and despair. The outcome of this power struggle will determine the fate of millions. The political drama in Zimbabwe is far from over. The truth behind the alleged plot against Mnangagwa remains elusive. The roles of Mutsvangwa and Chiwenga are shrouded in ambiguity. The nation waits with bated breath, bracing for the storm that threatens to break. Will Mnangagwa weather this challenge to his authority? Will Mutsvangwa succeed in his quest for vengeance? Will Chiwenga emerge from the shadows to seize control? Only time will tell what the future holds for Zimbabwe. One thing is certain: the struggle for power is far from over. The secrets and schemes that have been set in motion will have far-reaching consequences, shaping the destiny of Zimbabwe for years to come.